And I know it will depend on manufacturer or age of unit, but there's also another safety feature where if the garage feels pressure coming down, it'll go back up. At what type of pressure will it then reverse itself? And
normally, I can hold my arm out and it'll press against my arm, and that's enough resistance to send the door back the other way. The motors have that much sensitivity to feedback. Now, if your door is damaged or weak, it's kind of like pushing a rope. That door comes down, touches the obstacle, and it will flex out of the way. There's nothing to do at that point but replace the door. You need something that's solid there.
There's a common test that inspectors use where they just put a 2x4 on the floor and let the door close on that 2x4, and it should reverse the door. If it doesn't reverse on that 2x4, the force settings are turned up too much and will have to be adjusted.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.